At this point, we already have defined all the required structure to generalize the responses of our RESTful API. So what we have to do now is to use the methods that we already defined in our trait. So we have different ways to go. We can use the trait in every one of our controllers, but it is not completely practical because we really don't need to do that. Remember that we are extending now from the API controller, so every method that we define in the API controller can be used directly in the other controllers. So what we want to do is to use the trait directly in the API controller, and in that way we can use it directly in the other controllers. So for this we just need to use API responsor and of course import the definition. After this we are able to use every method in the API responsor directly in our controllers. So let's go controller by controller using the respective method. So basically for the methods that return a list of instances, we are going to use the show all, and for the methods that return a specific instance, we are going to use the show one. Remember that the show all and show one methods use the 200 code by default, so we just need to specify the code in case that is different. Let's proceed in the same way with the other controllers. Here we are returning only one instance, the created instance, so we need to use the show one method. And in fact using the 201 code. So at this point we should be able to verify that everything is working properly. We can see that the data element is being included in every response. So it seems like everything works as expected. See you in the next class.